Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this album cover filter on Snapchat. So this is the filter. Okay, you can press and hold the record button to record, and if you want to upload a picture from your camera roll, just tap on the screen and you can browse a picture from camera roll. Okay, so let me remove this first. Okay, the filter is gone. To get this filter on Snapchat, what you can do, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. So here in this website you will see snapcode for this filter. If you're browsing this website in your laptop or PC, you can scan the snapcode with your Snapchat mobile app, and if you're browsing this website in your mobile, just tap on the snapcode and open it with Snapchat. Okay, and you will see this pop-up, unlock for 48 hours. Tap there. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this filter on Snapchat. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.